the API integrations. This is something really important because the API integrations allow us to get costs from the traffic sources and to display them inside the tracker. We have some traffic sources that allow a cost token to be added, but unfortunately not all of them. And for the traffic sources that don't provide such a cost token, the option previously was to either define an average cost per click value or either upload a CSV file with the spending data, which is pretty much too much manual labor. We had to do something else, and that's why we added the API integrations. You will see them in the sources API integrations page. And for the moment, we have API integration in order to synchronize costs with Google Ads, with Meta Ads, with Microsoft Ads, and with Newsbreak. More integrations will be coming really soon. Our development team is working on more ad networks to be added here, and we'll constantly be adding new integrations. How this will work is after you define the campaigns both in the traffic source, like in Facebook, and in the tracker, you will want to connect the campaign from the traffic source with the campaign inside the tracker. And in order to do that, you will create an API integration, and I'll show you one with Meta Ads right now. You'll be provided with a login from Facebook. Basically, you need to log in your Facebook account and provide access to your ads in order to have the tracker pull cost data from there. Once we have added here the API integration, I will select the accounts that I want to synchronize, because inside Facebook account you can have multiple accounts managed. I will select both accounts, and then I will choose Save and Match. This will take me to the match page. I can filter by account from here, or I can leave all accounts selected. And now I see in this drop-down the campaigns coming from the ad network, from Facebook in this case. And in this drop-down, I have the campaigns that are defined inside the tracker, inside CPV Lab. And I want to say that, okay, this campaign from Facebook, it's sending data to the gardening plants campaign from here. I will add this match, and then I have another campaign in Facebook, let's say this one, that sends data to my septic tank campaign. I'm adding this as well. What's really nice for this feature is that you can have multiple campaigns defined in the ad network, in Facebook in this case, that send data to the same, send visitors to the same campaign inside CPV Lab. So I can have another campaign from here, for example, this one, that will send traffic to the same campaign that I had for the first one, to the gardening campaign. And I will add a new match for the same campaign. When I finish matching the campaigns, I will click Save. And now I have the campaign saved and the API integration appearing here with 2 accounts and 3 campaigns, the ones that I've matched. In the future, if when I add new campaigns in Facebook, you won't have to redo all the integration. The integration is already in place. You will just go to the match page and add a new match for your new campaign with a new campaign in CPV. That will get automatically synchronized and get the costs. The automated process will work in the background. It will pull cost data from Facebook for any ad network that we have integrated and will display those costs inside the tracker. For example, you can see here, you will have information about the last time when the API integration ran and the status that is completed. And when you have real data, clicking on the detail will show you how many ads were synchronized between the ad network and CPV. The free API integrations from here, Google, Meta, and Microsoft Ads, work in the same way. You have to log in on the ad network first and provide access to the tracker. The Newsbreak integration works a little bit different, and you will see if you want to add the integration, you'll be asked to provide your API access token and organization ID. If this is pretty easy to configure, you'll go inside your Ad Manager in Newsbreak. Then you'll go to Tools, Resources, API Access Token. Just copy the access token from here, paste it inside the tracker, and we also need the organization ID, which will be available. Sorry, account management, organization. You have the organization ID here. Just copy this one, add it inside the tracker, and that will be the entire setup for Newsbreak. The next step will be the same to select the accounts that you want to synchronize and to match the campaigns. And you do that in the same way as I showed you in the Facebook campaign. Choose the campaign from the ad network, choose the campaign inside CPV, click on Add Match and save. This will be a very good option to see your cost data for traffic sources that don't provide a cost token, and we'll make sure that we add more and more API integrations. So if you have any traffic source that you want to get priority, please tell us about that.